Alright guys, this is not going to be a review, it's going to be more of an unboxing, but I hate unboxing videos, so it's going to go short, sweet, and to the point. I got some import direct OE replacement pads. They're from O'Reilly Auto Parts, and the guy at the store told me that Raybestos actually makes these for O'Reilly's. But I had been talking to some other mechanics, and they had gotten pretty good reviews, or pretty good feedback on these pads, so I just wanted to show you real quick what comes in the box. So let's open that up. Import direct, PTFE and rubber coated hardware, 5-layer shim, OE specific friction components, OE style chamfers and slots, braking coating, promote a quicker, more effective braking. Alright, so you get this nice cool box. Got some foam there, and there it is. There they are. Look how pretty that is. That's nice and pretty. Nice and pretty. Oh, look at that. Wow. This is going to the Toyota, so let's see if they have the place for the spring, and they do. Right there. Don't get your grimy little paws on the material. But, yeah, I mean, packaging is real nice, but, you know, you can put makeup on a pig and make it look good and try to sell it as well. So I guess the real test will be once I put these on the Camry, see if they're any good. Kind of like the fact that it has a break-in material on it, the red coating. If anybody knows what that red coating is, go ahead and leave a comment down below. But got the pads. So here's the hardware that goes in the brake caliper bracket. I'll be replacing that as well. But yeah, I just want to show you guys what it looked like in the box. If you want to see what that is and read all that, pause it right now. But once I get these on the vehicle, put some miles on it, come back and tell you what I think. I'll just put thoughts at the end, so if you guys are curious, just fast forward to the end. So I'm pretty impressed with this kit. Not only does it come with all the hardware you need right there, it also comes with these new springs, and these new springs, actually I should say these springs, go on the end of the brake pad and keep the brake pads separated from each other. You'll see that. Most Toyotas and Lexuses have that. And then you got the new hardware there. And then it also comes with the new wear indicators. Some people call this a brake sensor, but when I think of sensor, I think of something electronic. It basically just, when the pad wears down enough, this little piece of metal right here will hit the rotor and make a screeching sound. So it stops you from going metal to metal. So this kit came with everything you needed. All the hardware for the brake pads to slide on, new springs, brake wear sensors, and then obviously the pads. So this kit was a little bit more involved than I thought, so I'm pretty impressed. So if it stops, you know, stops the car better, I'll recommend this kit all day long.